The appellant was appointed first in a private college. The appointment after affiliation had to be in accordance with the statutes. If the appellant had any supposed claim under government instruction dated 31/1979, he was required to raise the same claim immediately after affiliation on 19 to 1988. It does not appear that any such claim was raised by him at any time earlier. On the contrary, the claim was raised first only after he had been unsuccessful twice in the fresh selection process after voluntary participation. The statute was amended on 9/9/1988, requiring a minimum of 55% marks. The advertisements were subsequent in 1989 and 1994. Any right of consideration which may have accrued prior to the same but did not fructify by actual consideration lost its relevance. Once the court discovers falsehood, concealment, distortion, obstruction, or confusion in pleadings and documents, the court should, in addition to full restitution, impose appropriate costs. The court must ensure that there is no incentive for wrongdoers in the temple of justice. Truth is the foundation of justice, and it has to be the common endeavor of all to uphold the truth, and no one should be permitted to pollute the stream of justice. Once the appellant participated in the selection process, it is impermissible to him to raise issues prior to the same by approbate or reprobate. Reliance was appropriately placed by the university on Madan Lal Khurana (Supra). The petitioners also appeared at the oral interview conducted by the members concerned on the commission, who interviewed by the petitioners as well as the contesting respondents concerned. Thus, the Patna High Court LPA number 923 of 2011, dated 17/1/2013, petitioners took a chance to get themselves selected at the said oral interview. Only because they did not find themselves to have emerged successful as a result of their combined performance both at the written test and oral interview, they have filed this petition. It is now well settled that if a candidate takes a calculated chance and appears at the interview, then only because the result of the interview is not palatable to him, he cannot turn around and subsequently contend that the process of the interview was unfair or the selection committee was not properly constituted. In the case of Om Prakash Shukla versus Akhilesh Kumar Shukla, it has been clearly laid down by a bench of 3 learned judges of this court that when the petitioner appeared at the examination,